Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 restarting instead of shutting down. First method is disable fast startup. Second method is change startup and recovery options. Third method is change advanced power settings. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.